Hello everyone, how are you? Today I will tell you how you can change text color in Gmail. So first of all, to change text color in Gmail, you have to log in into your Gmail account from Google. After you log in into your Gmail account, go on the left side of the screen and click on the icon compose button. After you click on the compose button, you will see interface like this. So from here, if you will see an option, formatting option, click on it and you will see a slide like this, and click on the options of text color, underline capital A, and from here you can change both the background color of the text font as well as the text color. So here we are changing the text color, so we will click on text color, and on here in text color there is a large range of colors from a lighter shades to bold and brighter shades according to your need and your likeness. For example, if I choose this color and I write something, so you see, by this way you can change the text color in your Gmail very easily. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel.